So hi everyone, I will just going to discuss about the synchronous counter. Okay, I'm having a 3 bits synchronous counter in front of me, and how it work. Basically, counter are used to count an event. Okay, anything wherever we require the counting, we use the counters in computers. Okay, so the building block of counter is your flip flop. I told you. Or you studied in book that flip-flop is one of the most important part in your computer system, because with the help of flip-flop we can make so many things which is helpful for us. So first of all, let's discuss about the synchronous. What is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous counter? So see, in synchronous counter what we do, we having a flip-flop. So the clock pulse is given to all at the same time. That means we giving the same clock pulse at a time to all the flip-flop. But if your counter is asynchronous, in that case what we do, we give the clock pulse separately. Okay, the first flip flop having some clock pulse, second flip flop having some other clock pulse. So that means these are asynchronous in nature. Okay, so first thing you need to remember, whenever I talk about the synchronous counter, you have to remember that the common pulse is triggered to all the flip flop. Okay, so if I want to make a 3-bit counter, so how many flip flop we require? We require 3 flip flop. Okay, so either it is JK flip flop, either it is RS flip flop, either it is T flip flop, either it is your D flip flop. Any flip flop you can use to make a counter. So in this case you can see, if I want to make a up counter, there are two type of counter you having. One is up counter, which count from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this. One is down counter, which count in reverse order. Okay, so I'm making a up counter in stimulator. Okay, the stimulator app I having, that is multisim 11.0. you can use this for free. So in multisim 11.0 I will show you how it count. Okay, so you can watch the video, and if you want you can share with all the students who just want to learn this. So you can see here, these are the 3 flip flop we having. JK flip flop, 3 flip flop, the input and J and K. So we have to connect the input with VCC, that is high input. Okay, J and K we giving the high inputs. Okay, then we have Q bar. Q is important because it give you output. Second flip flop, third flip flop, we giving a same clock pulse to all the flip flop. Now if you see the timing diagram, this is your clock pulse, and how the value of Q0, Q1, Q2 is changing with time. You know, there are two state in JK flip flop, set reset. So accordingly we got the output. So once you give the clock pulse, the digital clock pulse, so what you get initially in all the flip flop, we get 0 0 0, then we get 0 0 1. That means this part will give you the output. Then we got 0 1 0. Okay, so on. And so since it's a 3-bit counter, so it can count up to 0 to 7. So now just open the multisim and check. So I had made the circuit diagram. You can find out all these things in places. Go to place, in component. You can find JK flip flop. You can find the AND gate. You can find the props. These are the props, LEDs basically, and this is a digital clock you can find here. Everything we find in the component. Then we have DCD hex counter, basically hex counter. So it count from 1 0 1 2 3 so on. Okay, so it can use for 4-bit output also, 3-bit also, for 2-bit also. So as soon as I just run this circuit, okay, you see it start counting from 0 1 2 3 4 5 so on. And see 7, if I just stop it at 7. Okay, let's just I stop it at 7. You, what do you see? Okay, see at 7 we have 3 output, yani ki 1 1 1. Or if I see 2, you can see at 2 0 1 0. So this is the output Q1, Q2, Q3. So 2 is this, and if you see 3 3, you know, and just you need to stop this. Okay, you need to stop this 1. Okay, so 1 is 0 0 1. It's like from here we getting output. Okay, this is Q1, this is Q2, Q3. So 0 0 1 is 1. Then you see 2 2 is 1 0 0 1 0. Then you have 3. Okay, you have 3 0 1 1. Then you have 4 1 0 0. Then you have 5. Then you have 6. So on you got all the outputs. Okay, so I hope you understood this. You can make it. In the next class I will tell you how to make a down counter. This is up counter. In just next one I will tell you the up counter, how you make the up counter. Thank you. Have a nice day.